Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy Friday. It's Friday. I hope you guys are having a great day. Listen, I don't want to be long. I just woke up and we have a lot. We have a lot going on today for Kinterprises. So I just wanted to make sure that I still came on live and talk to you guys really quick before we check out here. But listen, how committed are you guys, to your work, okay? How committed? Are you committed to seeing it fully through to the end? Or are you going to stop in the middle, okay? The middle is not the end, you guys. And I need you to realize that, all right? It may seem hard. It may seem like you can't get it done. But I'm here as living proof and here to show you. The more you continue to be consistent, the more you can be consistent. All right, you guys, the more you put this out into people, the more you talk to people, the more you help them and allow them to realize and understand how you can be the problem solver to their problem. Okay, that's how you will continue to get that social proof and that exposure. Okay, be consistent, stay committed, keep going. All right, that's how you build that momentum, you guys. All right, that's how you build that courage, that's how you build the strength. Everyone's always asking me, how are you 26 and you have a business and you have a family, you're able to travel still, and all that, like, aren't you scared of COVID, aren't you scared of this, aren't you scared of those things? Arise, those things may be factual, but it's not the whole truth. All right, you guys. And when you look at things for the wholeness of it, I as a young money mogul, living a healthy and a wealthy lifestyle. Like I just said, I just woke up, got my Pierre water, I took my elderberry pill. All right, I'm about to take my apple cider, brush my teeth, wash my face. Have an exfoliant, self-care. What are you doing for yourself? Okay, you guys, make sure that you're taking care of your body. The number one problem, or not the number one problem, because I'm not a doctor or anything like that, but from what studies have shown, one of the main problems of the people, or one of the main what's the word I'm trying to use? The main triggers, or the main things that's consistent with each patient is they have low oxygen levels, okay? And they give them zinc, they give them vitamin C, they give them vitamin A. If you ask these people, like right now, I came here to North Carolina. My uncle's been in the hospital, so we came to check on family, and I came for business, but I'm using it as an excuse to be here with my family. But you know, we asked him. I asked him yesterday. I said, "What did they give you?" They said, "Oh, he gave me zinc. They gave me vitamin A, all that." I said, "Okay, see, that's the thing. You have to keep your immune system up. You have to keep, oxygen in your system and allow your body to regenerate itself, to heal itself. I don't want to go too deep on you, but like I said, the law of thinking. Even when it comes to the law of thinking, there's been studies that have shown that people have healed themselves from just meditating and just thinking and believing that they're healed and things of that sort. So you have to realize, okay, you are more powerful than you know, you guys. And as you stay committed, as you stay consistent, as you continue to put the content, put the product, put whatever you have out there for the people, and do it with love, do it with no malicious intent, do it from an authentic space or authentic realm, I'm telling you, increase is coming. I'm here right now. I'm here in Statesville. Let me see if I can turn it around. Statesville motel room. But I'm here in Statesville, you guys, back home for my family, but I'm with my business partner, and we're about to start business with, or not start business, do more business with my chief of staff, Brittany, down here. So, introduce her to the Drink to Shrink, help the products down here, supply her with the products. That's the purpose of a community. That's the purpose of doing it together, where you don't have to do it alone. I can give you some products so you can start up. I can give you some of this so you can start up, and we can make some money together. All right, you guys, that's what it's about. Growing together, having that community, having that stability. All right, so stay consistent. Stay committed. All right, you guys. It's the beginning of the year, and that's what I want to talk to you about. If you're in your lifestyle, we have to learn how to be committed, and we have to learn how to be consistent. Okay, you guys. And when you're consistent and you make it clear to people, they follow. All right. And remember, your people are for you, and they will come to you. Your people are for you, and they will come to you. Okay. Don't be stressing and worrying on who's going to come. The ones that are meant for you will come to you. I'm trying to tell you. I'm a living witness. All right, you guys, enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend. Let's go crush it. I'm doing an interview and tell you a little bit about what we're doing today. Doing an interview with someone down here, a business owner in the nonprofit area, doing a live interview, talking for Mogul Talks for new content for YouTube. And then we have been handling some business for some properties that we have here. And then, like I said, we're going to talk about strategizing for some drink to shrink and how to really get North Carolina and all of their people here, how to get them on a healthy track and on a way to live a healthy and wealthy lifestyle. All right, you guys have a great weekend. Bye.